Definitely some delicious things at Burke & Riley's. Now back here in the studio, I am hanging out with Crystal from Olive Fusion. Now, you've probably been into one of her stores, either in Silverthorne at the outlets or over in Breckenridge. And this weekend, you're doing kind of a big summer special for us.
We're doing a summer sizzling special, carrying it through this weekend. So if you come into the store and you purchase 3 bottles of the 375 ml or the 200 ml, you get 1 bottle of the Northern Hemisphere Ultra Premium Extra Virgin Olive Oil free.
Really? Okay, now explain to me really quickly. You have the Northern Hemisphere, you have the Southern Hemisphere, and what's the difference between the two?
The Northern Hemisphere was just crushed in November and December.
Okay.
So we are now moving on to the Southern Hemisphere. So once those oils are gone, that's it till next season.
Okay.
Now we've got some fresh from Australia, Chile. We're getting some in from Argentina. Wonderful oils. We were just out at a olive oil convention in California and met some of the top growers from Australia that have actually won gold medal with their olive oils and best of show. And we also met some from Chile, and then we got to sample 12 new oils, different oils that are just crushed in April, May, June. Very, very good oils.
So really, when it comes to the olive oil that you have in the shop, we're talking the oldest product that you might have was crushed in November and December. It hasn't been sitting on the shelves for like 4 years.
Exactly.
Okay, so
exactly.
really fresh.
One of the growers from Australia, which is very interesting, they do a lot of our oils that has won the Best of Show and Gold Medal. They actually have 6,000 acres with the processing on the acres. So when they pick the olives from the tree, not from the ground, picking them up from the ground, they pick them fresh from the tree, they then take it over to be processed, and it is within 4 hours, under 4 hours, from the pick of the olive to the crush.
Wow, so really fresh quality products. Now, obviously you have a little bit more than olive oil. Let's start kind of on this side of the table. What do we have here?
We have sea salts and sugars. The sugars are a cane fusion sugar, so they're actually made with the fruit, like the strawberry, or we've got a vanilla bean, so they're actually a fusion with that to create the sugar. All natural. The same thing with our sea salts, and we have fusion sea salts as well, like a garlic or roasted onion, some really nice finishing salts, and then also salts like from Australia, Murray River, snowflake salt, which is beautiful, that's just from the Pacific Northwest. So some really nice quality salts.
And then how about in these little gift packs here? Because these are really cute. And looks like these would be perfect for a lot of you guys that maybe are just in town and you might be flying back home. These would be a good maybe size to bring with you.
Oh, those are great. You can take those on the plane. They're under 3 ounces. So they are really nice to travel with, or just to put into your second home or your week stay out here to be able to use some good quality extra virgin olive oil, infused olive oil, and also really nice balsamic that's imported in from Modena and aged. It's a very high quality
and these
balsamic.
Also, I know that you tailor these if you're looking for a perfect wedding gift maybe, or
wedding gift
packages.
Or favors.
Yeah.
We've had a lot of people come in for weddings that they're having up here in Summit County, and they're buying their wedding party olive oil and balsamic, and then the bottle's so beautiful with Breckenridge on it, or Silverthorne, and you can remember where you stayed, and the bottles can be a keepsake because they're dishwasher safe. You can wash them in the dishwasher.
Perfect.
So they're really nice to have as a gift and to give out. And then when you come in the store, any one of us can help you pair a really nice oil and vinegar together.
Oh, and I know that you've done that for Mary here at TVA Summit, and she has just raved about the recipe she's created. And then you also have these loose leaf teas. Tell me about these.
The loose leaf teas are some really nice blends that we have in. They come in the tins. You can either get them in the pouch or you can get them loose leaf. So our loose leaf comes in 4 ounces, and then we have the little tea bags that go with it, or you can purchase it in the pouch, which is nice as well, especially if you're traveling. And we have some nice flavors like a coconut truffle, strawberry sassafras, an English breakfast, jasmine. I mean, we have really fine quality teas. And we also offer tea samples in the store as well.
Yum. So you can really sample the things that you are going to buy so you can make sure that you love the taste. And, you know, Olive Fusion, it's all about fresh and quality. And again, really quickly to kind of wrap things up for us, your Summer Sizzler is what? What are we getting?
Summer Sizzling is you buy 3 bottles, either the 200 ml or the 375 ml, and you get the same size bottle for free of the ultra premium Northern Hemisphere oil, which will be gone. I'm sure it's going to be gone this weekend.
All right, so that's either at either store or just in
At both stores.
At both stores. All right, head on into Olive Fusion. If you haven't been in before, you're going to love, love, love this experience. Crystal, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Always a pleasure having you here. We're going to take a quick break, but we'll be back with more Summit Sunrise, so don't go away.